Last weekend, we were at the International Franchise Show at Excel London, the biggest franchise exhibition in the UK. And after nearly 20 years of doing these events, I've learned one thing. The difference between success and failure isn't what happens at the show. It's everything before and after it. It comes down to three simple steps. First, preparation. This is where most people get it wrong. Your stand location is critical. Study the floor plan, understand where the footfall is, where the big brands are, where the speakers are, and position yourself accordingly. Then organize everything early. For me, that means booking the stand, booking the hotel, booking restaurants, and ordering everything you need: electrics, furniture, and most importantly, your data scanners. And this is done months in advance. Also, forget piles of leaflets. People don't want them anymore. Keep it simple. Use QR codes. Make it easy for people to engage with you instantly. Second, execution at the show. You'll have thousands of people walking past your stand, but not all of them are your customers. So you need a system. We qualify every conversation into short-term, mid-term, or long-term opportunities. High-quality prospects get more time and attention. Everyone gets scanned. Your data scanner is your most valuable tool. Without it, you're losing opportunities. And finally, follow-up. This is where the real business happens, not at the show, after it. You typically have a window of around 7 to 10 days to convert interest into real opportunity. So your follow-up needs to be ready before the show even starts. Emails, calls, proposals, consistent engagement. Because the businesses that win are the ones that follow up best. If you're looking to grow your franchise brand, Infinity Group offers lead generation, consulting, legal, and franchisee recruitment services. Click below to find out more.